everybody? It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. Today we're starting off totally different. We're not working on the car, we're driving the car. So myself and a few of the other members of our North Texas Vanderhaul Club, we are driving to Arkansas. Forward a little bit because I didn't feel like filming much yesterday. Just enjoying the ride to Arkansas, but we're here. I met up with Chad and Sarah and Jamie back there, and her husband Billy's on a Harley. We're dropping his Harley off to get a new rear tire on it. We're going to cruise around the Vanderhalls just by themselves today, and yeah, should be a good day. My windshield cracked though. Finally bit the bullet, 12,000 miles in. Time for an upgrade. One stop, what was it called? Something Booger, Sugar Booger Cafe or barbecue or something, and it wasn't open. So we came here to the Low Gap Cafe that the Sugar Booger owner told us to come to. This is pretty cool. Photographer, hired him for this week. A little bitty bridge we have to go over. It's super sketch. It's real sketch on this side, but we already made it once, so it should be okay. state park. It's pretty cool. The drive-in is amazing, which you just saw. That's what I had going on there. And we tried to go to the visitor center, but they told us we couldn't park there. So we stopped for a second, you know, took in the view. It was pretty cool. This is pretty nice. A little bridge coming across. Lots of people in the state park today. It is Saturday, so you know, it makes sense. So we stopped at the Arkansas Air Museum and took a little tour, and we're going inside, driving the Vanderhults in and taking pictures inside. So that's pretty cool. They just let us. I mean, we just asked, and they were like, yeah, go ahead.